Hey YouTube, let's do this song, The Muck by K.Flay. First part is and then there's a little breakdown. That's like the verse. Then there's like a little transition. And the fourth part is it's at the end. That's like a bridge. That's all four parts of the song. Okay, so let's learn those. That's F. And then we go to F at the 8th, just up an octave, and then we go to E. Basically playing all power chords. And we go, so F, F, F octave, E. And then we go A, D, C. So all together it's F, F, E, A, D, C, F, F, E, A. And then she goes into the verse. That's F, D minor, A, B flat. Just take your A shape and go up to the 3rd fret with it. F, and then there's that little transition thing where it's like A, B flat, F, A, B flat, C, and then that part at the end, she's singing, I want to get better. F, A, D minor, B flat. I want to get better. I want to be second trust. Okay, that's how you play that one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the request. Bye.